Hi, Neil here with Covers Camo, your source for custom seat covers. Today we're checking out the universal fit pet cover for the rear seats that's really designed for larger SUVs and trucks. So if you have a truck or SUV and you need some protection from that pet that gets in the back side there, back seats, we got you covered here. Let's check it out. All right, so we're checking out the pet cover on the rear seat of this Toyota Tundra right now. And you can see this pet cover is designed for larger SUVs and trucks. There's a lot of pet covers on the market out there that aren't wide enough for the vehicles that we have rolling around here in the US. So you can see here are the straps going up around the headrest post right here. And then there's that other side. This is the Crew Max on this Toyota Tundra. And this is just a great cover to go on the back seat. It's a universal fit for the trucks and SUVs. Now, if the pets are inside here, really the ultimate protection is to get custom seat covers. That's what we recommend first. But then maybe you want to put this on top of your nice seat covers, or if you just can't afford the seat covers right now, you need some simple protection right now, this is a good option to go with. Now, there's a lot of great color options to go with. We have black, charcoal, and then a lot of different camos. Right now, this is my favorite camo going on right now. This is the Mossy Oak Bottomland. It's the original Bottomland. It's the OG, just a really cool Bottomland look back here. And I love the camos. It reminds me of where I need to be, back in the outdoors, okay? So this is the Bottomland camo. There's the real tree, some other Mossy Oak prints, and check those out on our site there, and we'll try to get as many photos and videos for you so you can see those. But this is the Bottomland, looks really nice in this back seat. Got some nice blacks, some darker greens in here as well. So Bottomland on this, and just a great pet cover to keep things nice and clean and easy to wipe up. Now this is machine washable. You can take this off, go throw it in the machine, wash it up, and then throw it back in if you need to, or just wipe it down in place. We're gonna pour a little water on here just so you can see how the water beads off of that. So we're gonna take the rag now and just wipe that up like that. So gonna keep things nice and dry, clean back there. Put a little bit more on there so you can see that. Just beads down right there. Get that all wiped up, looking good. Nice and dry seats back here. Thanks so much for watching this video. Again, if you'd like to see more videos like this, jump over to coversandcamo.com because we offer interior accessories to protect the interiors on your vehicles, whether it be trucks, UTVs, or another vehicle. We're happy to help. Again, you can see more at coversandcamo.com.